For real. Look. He seen basketball was on, got right up. This nigga was laying down. And nigga, he wants to play basketball now. For real, he likes this. I never knew. Get you some. Hey, dude, for real. He likes basketball. He got defense, too. He got paws, nigga. What you mean? He got hands. Trying to say. He's on it. I don't think he like the referee. Maybe he think the referees can't. Nah, 'cause the referee got on white and black. He white and black, so he probably think it's his brother. Long lost brother. I think he's a Phoenix fan. Get you some. D up, kitty, kitty. Like you are hating 'cause he likes basketball. He's going to the league. Quit hating. Don't even worry about it. Straight to the league. He ain't even going to school. Not elementary, not middle, not high, not college. Straight to the league from Fisher Price. Quit hating. It's nothing. I think he threw. Look. There you go. Huh? You a hater. Quit hating. Please. There you go, kitty, kitty. Alright. Oh. Hold on. He got into that one. Hey, he's heated. He think it was a bad call. That wasn't no foul. Plus he's a beast. Plus he's a liger, dog. You through? You through? You through? Huh? Come here. Come here. Watch the game. Look. Look. IG.